What if selling didn't require you to push, but simply to stand in your value? Welcome to Day 22 Lovelies. Today, we enter a topic many women fear, but you and I are going to approach it differently. We're talking about sales, not the masculine, pushy, loudy version we're taught to fear. No, we're stepping into feminine sales psychology, the kind rooted in empathy, intuition, clarity, and genuine service. Because here's the truth, women are natural sellers. From childhood, we've been mediators, helpers, listeners. We naturally understand people's emotions, right? We can feel intuitively what someone needs. So today, I wanted to release the belief that selling is manipulation or pressure. No. Selling, like true feminine selling, is nothing more than helping someone receive what will genuinely improve their life. That's just what it is. There's a problem, you are bringing the solution. All right? Let me break it down for you. Sales begin with understanding. Selling isn't talking, selling is listening. The deeper you understand your buyer, the easier it becomes to guide them. You can ask yourself, what is my buyer struggling with? What's she struggling with? What does she desperately want? What keeps her awake at night? What has she already tried that has failed? So these are the questions you are asking yourself, right? When a woman feels understood, she feels safe, and safety is the foundation of sales. When a person feels understood, man, woman, they feel safe. Safety is the foundation of sales. Sales is service, not convincing. You are not convincing convincing the person. You are providing the person with a service. So this is the truth that masculine sale hides. You are trying to convince anyone. You are simply saying, here is the problem I solve. Here is how I solve it. Here is how your life changes afterward. Right? Your present clarity, your present truth, your present transformation, and the right people say yes with ease. It's just very easy. I know that people have a problem, right? A lot of women are struggling with dark spots on their faces, and I have the solution for it. So I'm not trying to convince you to buy it. I already have clarity because I have used this product and it worked. It is the truth. It is, and this is me presenting my transformation. I'm showing you my before and after video. What I did within this amount of time to allow me get to this place. So different people will definitely say yes. Definitely. The feminine sales flow, right? That's number 3. Here's the gentle reading to use. Step 1, connect. Be human. Be warm. Be sincere. People buy when they feel seen. Step 2, understand their pain. They must feel like you truly get them. You have to be relatable. Step 3, present the solution. Don't talk too long, complicated way, too many jargons, just say it very simple in an empathic way, right? Now show the transformation. Explain who they become after working with you. That's what my face did before I started to use this thing. Like the thing worrying me, disturb me. But now, after I don't use them like this, see my face now. I'm not even raw pancake. See as it be, like that is the transformation that you are showing them. Invite, don't push. You don't force. You open the door and the right client walks in, right? This is feminine sales psychology. No pressure, no fear, no chasing, just clarity, confidence, and heart. Soft, right? Women struggle with sales. Please, let's heal this. Many women are selling because they fear rejection, judgment, not being perfect enough, being seen as too much, being misunderstood. But here is your truth. When your offer is rooted in genuine transformation, selling becomes an act of love. You're not asking for money. You are offering elevation. You are offering clarity. You are offering change. The three energies of high converting sales. Let's shift your energy so sales feel natural, right? Okay. First, number one energy, confidence. Confidence is simply self-trust. Like you know yourself, you know what you they carry come. So your confidence is sky high. The moment you trust your gifts others do, you are not coming, you are not jittery, you are not second guessing. Then clarity. That's energy number two. Confusion repels buyers. Clarity attracts them instantly. You are clear about what you want. Your offer must answer in one line. This is who I serve. This is how, and this is the transformation. 3, compassion. People say yes when they feel understood. Compassion builds connection, and connection builds conversion. Now, you could be offering someone a cream to clear their dark spots, and they will tell you, I beg, I've tried this so many creams, it doesn't work. That's what all of you say. You have to be compassionate. You say, yes, me too. I tried a lot of creams. You can even mention some of the ones you have tried. It's possible the person has tried them too, right? You mention it in a way, you make sure that you do not destroy someone else's brand to elevate yours. It's very important. The feminine energy doesn't work by trampling on others. You're just saying this didn't work for you. But the reason why this will work, it's because you are telling them, you are compassionate about what it is, right? And when somebody feels compassion, there's a connection. They will definitely trust you and want to buy from you. The essence of this topic, selling is more than telling someone, I see your struggle, I know the way, and I'm here to talk with you. I'm here to work with you. No, it's more than that. You are not forcing, you are guiding, you are serving, you are transforming. All right. So I've come to the end of the day. Let's go for our affirmations. I sell with confidence, clarity, and compassion. My work transforms life, and the right clients feel drawn to me. Okay. So today, step boldly into your value. Let your energy speak for you. Let your clarity guide you. Let your compassion connect you. Because when a woman sells from her heart, her impact multiplies and her income rises gently, powerfully, and consistently. Okay? So, do not forget, if you have missed any part of this, go back and listen and start again. Okay? And remember, this is a sales psychology for women. Feminine power is very strong. You have to learn to get into that feminine power. All right. Do enjoy the rest of your day. To those activity in the description as always.